Eyes and ears, guys. Here's what's going on. This is a large roundup of a potential heavy hitter and the men working for him. This isn't gonna be some fucking stroll in the park, boys. We've got an arrest warrant for Amos Vole and a search warrant as well for evidence of the production of pornographic material involving minors.
The adult film guy?
The very same. Our cybercrime team has traced numerous wires from an offshore account that were being sent right to Brixley Talent Time every Sunday for the last 6 years. The shell company that holds this account was established in Bucharest, Romania, which happens to be where Amos's wife is from. She slipped up, and we tied a transaction from the shell company to Amos's personal account. That's about as much as we needed to get the all clear.
Boss, what's the risk level here?
Well, these are definitely gonna be the same guys that we saw when we went for Brixley. Lots of ex-military, probably ex-cop. They're well armed, and if the talks the dicks had with them are anything to go by, these guys are also well paid. Threat level's gonna be high.
What's the entry?
Single point of entry on the road that leads to his home, 1962 Irwin Drive. We're up in the hills of Los Clemente. That means a lot of rich people, a bunch of movie stars and directors. Keep an eye on what's past your target if you have to get in a gunfight, because those guys would love a chance to sue the department if they caught some property damage. I should mention, it gets even more complicated. We've got surveillance on the target location now. They're reporting it looks like there might be a birthday party starting for Vole's teenage daughter. I know. Ordinarily, we'd never choose to serve this warrant right now with that going on, but time is of the essence. Somehow the bank's also tipped off police in Romania, who, despite our requests to wait, are set to seize his assets there as soon as the business day starts there. Once that happens, Vole is going to be tipped off and any evidence at the house will be turned into a big pile of ashes.
Are we gonna run into the same problem as the last time where the DA was parked right out the front of the house?
No, this place has some tight security. They'll know we're in there the minute you guys step onto Irwin Drive. Won't be any vehicles blocking the way, fucking up our shit. All right, let's roll. We're gonna be running on our regular channels. Main is TAC 1, backup is TAC 4 Northern. Let's go!
Officer Turner, please call desk.
You got point.
Doc, new element. Suspects are refusing to negotiate. You are clear to move in.
Post up and cover the area. In position. Locked. How do you want to do it?
If they get us, we're truly...
Wanted. Affirmative.
Calm down.
Mirror ready.
Calm down.
Opening on the left. Looking good, sir. Contact. Armed.
Just relax. Relax and figure
Ram the door. Bang the room. Acknowledge me.
Breaching.
Who's there?
Hey, get down!
Yes, sir. Got an opening up ahead.
I got you.
Police, get on the ground now! Turn around slowly.
Just make sure
Trailers incoming.
read me my rights.
Contact is down. Gun the desk.
LSPD! Get down and put your hands up! Hands up! Don't
Police, hands on your head!
Reloading! Watch my back! Put your hands up now! Safe!
Get on the fucking ground! Do it now!
Police, hands up! Put your hands hands like
Police,
either.
hands up! Police, get down on the ground! Drop the weapon and get down! Down on your knees!
There's someone here. Help!
Move in, clear the room.
All right.
Tell me what the charges are.
Wait with me. Moving!
Hands up! Drop to your knees!
I am listening.
Come
Get
over here,
down! I
boss.
want to see hands!
I got it.
Stay calm.
Let me go.
Element to talk. We have a civilian in custody.
Doc here.
Good to
Great
go.
work. Keep going.
Post up on the right.
Copy. Door's good.
Door flash and clear.
Copy. Taking it down. Wait. Nothing.
Fall in.
Right with you.
Talk. Bagging it up.
Talk to lead. Confirming evidence secured.
Poor kid probably never hears the end of it.
Hey, I don't have anything against you guys. Just know that.
Arms outstretched! Get down and don't move!
Oh God. I don't know.
LSPD, don't move!
Get down on your knees! Hands up! Hands up! Above your head!
I'll do whatever you say.
Turn around and stay still.
Moving into
Stay
handcuffs.
here.
Please get me away from here. Hey, what the hell?
Civilian, good to
the
go.
guys with the guns
This is
are
Doc.
over there.
We're ready for him.
Turn around. Turn around. Keep your hands up. Don't
get 'em
move.
ready.
Stay put.
I'm not
This
in trouble,
can't be
right?
happening.
I can
Lead
go.
to talk.
Civilian good to go for evac.
This is Talk. Trailer standing by.
Provide cover.
Confirmed. Doors
It's Kenny's
unlocked.
parents you want, dude. They're fucked.
Use the mirror. Check for targets.
Acknowledged. Juan ready.
You're just gonna leave the innocent girl tied up here?
No traps visible. No contact.
Open the door. Clear it.
Roger. Swap. Swap with me.
I'm going!
Keep an eye
Just
out.
let me
I've had
go,
someone slip
okay?
by me before. Cam light out. Nothing here, sir. Look at the bed. Looks clear over here, boss. Empty over here. No contacts. Empty over here. No contact.
Stack up on the right.
Moving into place.
What the hell? Don't just stand there.
Doors unlocked.
Mirror for contacts.
Yep. I got the wand.
don't leave me alone here.
It's good. Area clear.
Open it and clear it with a flash.
Fuck, I don't want to die.
Flashing.
Going in!
Good here.
Got an opening here.
Money?
I got nothing
Checking
here.
the area.
Entry team to talk. We got some tech here.
Talk to entry team.
Split and
Secure
cover.
it and keep going.
Unlock.
Check it with the wand.
10-4. I got the mirror. Nothing. We're good. Room clear.
Get to the door and flash it.
10-4. Banging.
Good here.
Dropping a light. I got nothing here.
Fall in behind me.
Right with you.
Move in. Clear the room.
Confirm.
Is this gonna take long? I just want to go home.
Swap. Breaching! I got nothing here.
I'm not in trouble, right? I can go?
Empty over here. No contacts.
Cover the area.
I'm on it.
Door is good.
What the
Use
fuck
the
am I doing
wand.
here?
Check for targets.
Wand's ready.
Why did the birthday have to be here?
Opening on the right. Looks clean. I got nothing.
Relax.
Get the door and move in.
Swap with me. Moving! Opening on the left. Hands in the air!
Good here.
Police!
Put your hands up and get down slowly. Drop it and put your hands up.
Hands on your head. Stay on me.
Fuck.
God damn it.
Help!
Get
the
down
security
now!
guys went crazy.
I'm not throwing everything I have away.
I got it.
Hands up.
Fuck you.
Have any weapons
Drop
on you?
your fucking...
Are you totally
Civilian is
insane?
tucked and good to go.
Civilian is good to go. Compliant.
Entry team, this is Todd. Proceed with
I don't have
mission.
anything to do with this.
Move in and clear it.
That's affirmative.
Switch with me. Moving in! Nothing here, sir.
Nothing.
Light stick out.
Nothing here, sir. Searching.
Split the stack on this door.
Got it.
Unlocked.
Ram the door clear with flash.
Wait. Ready to knock.
I'm going! Opening on the left. Put it down! Don't move!
Get on the ground now!
Get down now!
Hands in the air!
Police! Come out!
Put your hands up.
Room is green.
I got nothing.
Get down.
Come out now!
Moving in! Please! Police, get down! Get down, now! Police! Contact is down! Police, hands up!
I'll stay here. Do not get in our way.
Place is Tent City.
Talk. Civilian good to go for evac.
Talk here. Continue with objectives.
Drop your weapons!
Going on the left.
They're down! Put the weapon on the ground! Police, drop it!
Dynamic movement. Move and clear.
Police, listen to me! Don't take this! Let's go.
Suspect evidence secured.
Move in and clear it.
Ready. Swap with me.
Talk to lead. Notifying temps.
Making it safe.
Hands up now! Drop to your knees!
Suspect cuffed and secure. Got him. Want that thing? Secure. Zip it up.
Element, this is Talk. Tag him and keep moving.
We're not here for you.
Evidence good to go.
I don't know what's going on. It was supposed
Lead
to
to
be
talk.
my birthday.
Civilian in custody and secured.
Lead, this is Talk. Keep going.
I can't do this right now.
I'm not fucking surprised. Look at what those Sueno...
On my six.
I got you.
Don't shoot. I'm just a kid.
Element to talk. Civilian secure.
Element, this is Talk. Trailers en route.
Deploying chem light.
We're gonna be fine, right? They're not here for us.
Police! Get down!
What's happened to this city?
Turn around. Don't get up.
I'll get
We're
him
gonna
ready.
get you out of here.
It's Jamie's dad who won. The guy's a
Civilian is
fucking
good to go.
creep.
Comply.
Talk to Element. We're ready.
Ram it. Clear with stingers.
Got it.
Please, God.
Swap with me. Swap.
Reaching, reaching.
This is totally about Jamie's dad. The creep.
Opening on the right. Hallway left side. Lead to talk. One suspect down. Breathing.
Got one down.
Talk to entry team. Notifying temps.
Hands up!
Put your hands where I can see him.
I'm
Place
getting
clear over here, boss.
Checking the desk.
Nothing. Searching under the desk.
Is Jamie in trouble?
Checking the desk. We got tables and desks.
What the fuck am I doing here? So fucked up.
Moving in! Going!
Clear over here, boss. Civilian is ready.
Talk.
Element to talk.
Stock reporting. Trailers en route.
Nothing here, sir.
On me.
Behind you.
I'll back it. Evidence secured.
Split the stack and provide cover.
Good.
Get the door, then clear it with
On it with me.
stingers.
Knocking it down.
You're out. Opening on the right.
Empty over here. No contact. Light stick out.
Good here.
Looks clear over here, boss.
Retake! I got nothing here.
On me. Move.
Got your six.
Please, let me just get out of this.
Post up right side.
Doing it. Door is good.
Check it with the mirror.
On it. Wand is ready. Got some hallways. It's clean. Nothing.
Move in. Clear it.
Copy that. Swap. Let's go! Hallway right side.
Here.
Empty over here. No contact.
Empty over here. No contact.
We got company.
Provide support.
On you.
Element to talk.
Suspect down. In need of 10.
Lead, this is Talk. EMTs and trailers are standing by.
Got him. Need you to slide over. Evidence. Good to go.
I copy. All clear here.
Split and provide cover on this door.
Door's locked.
Christ, if I go in, everything's
Mirror it.
for me.
All right. Mirror's ready. Opening on the right. No device here. One armed suspect.
Shotgun. Bang and clear.
Copy.
Stay down and turn around.
Empty over here, no contact.
This is procedure. Look away. Don't move.
Got it back. Good to go.
I want
Element
badge
to talk.
numbers.
Suspect in custody. Compliant.
Doc to Element. Trailers incoming.
I couldn't give less of a fuck about the kids.
Provide support on me.
You got point.
Lead the talk. Bagging.
Entry team, this is Doc. Secure it and keep going.
Still think there's no such thing as monsters?
You destroyed half my fucking property.
LSPD,
fucked?
don't move. Get
Ring
down.
it. Flash and
I'm
clear.
not going anywhere.
LSPD, don't
hear
move.
you.
Get down and keep your hands up.
You
Stay
gotta
down and
help me.
turn around.
Fuck.
Element to talk. Prep for
Moving in on
event.
the right.
Doc here. Trailers en route.
Good here.
Hey, how'd you like a new car paid for?
Provide support on me.
On your six.
Doc to lead. Nicely done, entry team. Roll in.